welcome to today's tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to discuss composite functions. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you click on the subscription button, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me on any of these lines on the screen, and don't forget to click the notification button so that you don't miss out the videos I'll be posting. So the question says if f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x cubed, find the value of g of f of 3. So when they say g of f of 3, the first thing that you need to find is g of f of x. And then what this means is that in g, while there's x, you're going to put f of x. So meaning this is going to be g of f of x. This is what you are going to do. So in g, where there is x, I'm going to put f of x. So my g is x cubed. So in this g, where there is x, I'm going to put f of x. So I'm going to have f of x cubed. Where there is x, I've replaced with f of x. So my f of x in this case is simply just 2x minus 1. So I'm going to put 2x minus 1 while there is f of x there. Then this will be cubed. So 2x minus 1 is there. So this is my g of f of x. Meaning, for me to find g of 3, remember, if you have, let's say, g of x is equal to x cubed, then they ask you to find g of 1. So g of 1 is simply found by replacing 1 while there's x there, and then you get your answer is 1. So in this case, we're also going to replace, while there's x, we're going to put 3. So this will now just be equal to g of f of 3, and this will be 2, and then open brackets, while there's x, we'll put 3, and then this is what we're going to have. So this will now give us, so the solution will now be, so we'll have 2 times 3, that will be 6, minus 1, this will give us 5. So we'll have 5 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 3, 5 times 5, that's 25. Then times 5 will get 125. Hence, g of f of 3 will give us 125. Okay, so let's also do this one. So f of g of 2. So f of g of 2 is simply means in f, where there is x, we're going to put g of x. So in f, where there is x, we're going to put g of x. So the expression for f is this one. So while there is x in f, I'm going to put g of x. I'm going to have g of x there. Then we say minus 1. So my g of x in this case is x to the power 3. So I'm going to put x to the power 3 there, then minus 1. So we're trying to find f of g of x. So f of g of x is therefore going to be equal to, while there's x here, I'm going to put so while there's x, I'm going to put okay, this is what we found here is f of g of x. Now while there's x, I'm going to put 2, because we're trying to find now f of g of 2. So I'm going to put 2 there. So this will be 2 to the power 3, that will give us 8. 8 times 2, that will be 16 minus 1, and here the solution will be 15. So 15 is the solution to this expression. So the same thing that I have done for this one and this one, you also just repeat them for these two. So in other words, in the same expression for g of f of x, you can now replace 0, you can replace 0 where there's x and find the solution. So for this one, if you put 0 where there's x, to solve the last question here, if you put 0 where there's x here, you're going to have negative 1 to the power 3, which will give you negative 1 as the answer. Then for this other one, if you put 0 while there is x here, you still have -1 as the answer as well. So thank you very much for watching today's tutorial. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do so by clicking on the subscription button. And then if you have any questions, feel free to contact me on any of my lines that I showed you at the beginning. And then also, you should also not forget to click on the subscription, rather you should, the notification button, so that you don't miss out the videos that I'm going to be posting. My name is Hamted. See you in the next tutorial video. Shalom, shalom.